street here. Yeah, you know, the fish street. Whoops, I almost walked through some wires. That would have hurt. That would have hurt. Okay. Good time to cool down a little bit. Right here, another right, we should be on the street with the big 7-Eleven. That is the official name of the big 7-Eleven next to the motorbike and car wash. Fixed. Everything's closed. It's a Sunday. Flash Express. Got another market. Yeah. Oh, pet supplies. 3. Watch your heads. Watch your head. Oh, oh. Did you lose your hat again? You did. Your poor hat. Poor Lightning McQueen. Oh. Okay. Put that back on your head. Okay. Now we got this. We got this. It's cool, bro. There's a massage. There's a broken down Volkswagen Beetle. Make a cool picture. Oh, that was such a dick move. Coming up to Sangchuto Road, where that McDonald's is. There's a post office. Lots of stuff on this road. Holy crap. Massage again, or spa. Watch your head, buddy. What's what? It is a hot day for a walk, sir. A hot day indeed. Lots of restaurants over there too. Say hello. No? Why not? Why don't you say hello? No? You're stuck up dick? That's my fault. I don't talk to people either. Here's the big 7-Eleven. Yeah. Ooh. Hey, no shit. Well, I see another picture opportunity. Alright. Yeah, I get all excited when I take pictures. There's a bakery. I wonder where that street goes. Ooh, what? That is a good. Ooh, I wonder where this street goes too. Look, a bunch of them. I doubt they'll have food down them, but they're worth a shot. Big people up here. Well, you watch your head. You watch your head. You watch your head. You got all three. Good job. Okay. More food. Come on. You can walk a bit. Whew. That's really hot. Hopefully that video is not all stuttery and fucked up. Oh, you know what it's gonna be. We're gonna have to do this again. I know. You don't say. Another phone store. Oh, these phone stores are good. You can buy parts. On the sidewalk and you walk by yourself, okay? If you want. Okay, hold on. That's better. Whatever you just said, dude. Like the looks of angels. Huh? Okay. t-shirt place. Yeah. All kinds of custom t-shirts and stuff during the week. Okay. Please, what? Go for a walk, okay? Please, please. Please, please. Please, please, please. Smoothie shop over there, and every day I will. Another Flash Express. Please motorcycle. Clothing store. Lots of stuff on the street. This is the back way in McDonald's. Fishing, and he was excited about it. You see that? Huh. I'm surprised they still have any liquid left to sweat. Alright, well that was this street. It ends with a 7-Eleven. I know, right?